Okay, so this is the working setup we've got so far. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create three different custom properties for color saturation value, because we're using a hue saturation value node instead of RGB input node. And then edit the values just to make sure that the property name is all right and the min max is within a reasonable range. For everything else, it's 1. For the value, it's 2. And then in your first material, create 3 attribute nodes. So Shift A, input attribute. So for color, saturation, and value, and put the color value from each of those into the first 3 sockets respectively. And then what you're going to want to do is go into your second object here. Sorry, I forgot the word for cube. Click add driver. I already have a driver, so I'll show you what the setup is. In order to get this path here, you have to go to the first object, click color, right click, and then copy data path, and then go into here, edit the driver, change this from transform channel to single property, select the cube, or select the first object, the one that you want to control the color, click on this, and then press Control V. And then it'll paste in the data path for that custom property. And then you go back to the first cube, and as you can see, the materials are not linked. They are different materials. This one has some subsurface on it. The roughness is all the way up. This one, the roughness is down and the metallic is up. But regardless of that, we can change the color however we like. Raise the saturation up, lower it down completely, and lower the value so that we can make it darker or brighter. So like bright neon or almost all the way black, just like a dark foresty green. And that's the setup.